Hi, this is Scott, and I'm going to show you how to use the bulk article form to actually submit custom jobs. We have made the system extremely flexible. You're not limited to actually submitting just article requests. You can submit custom jobs, and clients do it all the time. So here's how it works. So what you would do is you would create a new project folder, and since I already have one, I'll just choose an existing one. Okay, now you can add these individually. Now for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to do a specialized blog post and a Kindle ebook. Okay, so you can add them individually just by clicking this and adding an entry individually. But for this example, I'll show you how to use the bulk add text area to do this. Now, the way that this works is each line represents an entry or a title. So for this example, we'll just say blog post, okay? And then the next one is a Kindle ebook. That's right, we do Kindle ebooks. And we have many clients who request these types of projects all the time. So if you want to set now if these were article requests, you would follow by this format. It would be an article title, comma keyword, comma keyword. Okay, so since we're not going to have any keywords or anything like of that sort, we're not going to associate these in here. Now you can, let's say if these all need to be done within the same time frame, you can say, yeah, I need to get these both done in 30 days. Whatever you want. Okay, then you can click add. Okay, so on the next page, going back to the time frame, let's say you need to change that. Let's say the time frame, well, I want this one in 15 days and I'm going to leave this one at 30 days. You can do that. And if I had selected to associate writers on the previous page, then I would see a drop-down menu right here off to the side of the time frame box. But since I didn't do that, I'm not given that option. If you're curious on how to do that, then I'd recommend clicking this and watching a video on how the simple form bulk system works. So here's what you would do. For the blog post, I would just say, choose the layout, come down here and associate the request, or associate this with the request, and then use this text area provided to explain what you need here, and then use the minimum maximum word count field to set your pricing. So let's say it's 100 words, and this one's at 150 words. Okay, so the same thing for the Kindle ebook. Let's say the Kindle ebook is going to be about 15 pages, which is about 500 words a page. We'll say 7,500 words. But let's say you're not really sure on what the actual word count might be. You're not sure exactly how many pages you might get out of the content or the sourcing material you're going to provide for your author. So give the writer a good cushion of about 6,000 for a minimum, which would give them 1,500 word cushion. Okay. Keep in mind that the system is always going to charge at the threshold, which is 7,500 words here for the maximum. And so whatever the word count comes back as, the system will make the adjustment for you in the price. So, and then here you would do the same exact thing, choose the layout, the custom job layout, and explain what you need with the provided text area right here. If you need to upload any files, you'll have the ability to do that right down here, and then you have an additional text area to explain further needs and details, and then your price updates right down here. And then let's say you don't have any credits, then you can just simply go save as a draft, and then when you do that, just keep in mind that when you save it as a draft, it's going to put it back in your manage request area, and then from there you're going to see two individual titles in this particular project folder. And then you just simply go into each one of those, and then you can click to open them. Okay, that is how you create custom jobs using the simple form. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped.